So far as I've heard, you can get arrested and a $500 fine for driving right now in the city of Baltimore. Chill a little bit. Yeah, there's a car there. 2 for 2 on bars that are open. Headed to Rope Walk for a few hours. 'Cause there's another good one. The church is open. That's a pretty cool shot. Emergency? This is the first time I've ever been able to walk down Charles Street. Trapped in like that. That's a car, yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Good thing is the snow is over with. We hope. Last night I heard it was we're getting snow again on Saturday, which is 3 days from now. It's Jenna Bush's house. Jenna Bush, President of the United States' daughter. These are the conditions. And then, this is a beautiful sight. Look at these guys. Not getting out. That's a quarter of a ton of snow. That's literally a car underneath. That guy's in good shape. Woo! Someone punched through that. Oh, that's Tap's bar. Now, not a single vehicle on the road for miles. The lights up ahead, way up ahead. Probably a salt truck. I've gotten word while I was at the bar at Rope Walk that did a good job. Those headlights are staring blankly. We're at the corner of West Randall and Charles. Look at this shot. Not even a considerable plow. Those cars are blanketed in. Stuck beyond belief. It would take you 3 hours right here. That's a car. There's a lot of cool things to see, and everyone's literally trapped under cars right now. Whoop, almost fell. Like this guy right here is like, and all these cars are trapped literally under snow. But the way we walk, there's nowhere you can't go. There goes a guy, redneck and all. Look right, look left, not a soul in sight, except for that guy who's got a truck. He's not getting in touch. So I'm gonna walk in the middle of Hanover Street. The first time I could ever proudly walk 11 o'clock at night on Wednesday night and not have to worry about it. This guy is coming towards he's just knocking more snow into more cars. Not doing anything. There's no pickup of anything. No one. Ironing boards, they shoveled out their spot. Do not take it. Lawn chairs, they shoveled out their spot. Do not take it. As bad, but I drive a 4Runner, and hopefully it's not going to be as bad as I think it is. But that drift right there is about 4.5 feet. If you can see it down there, lengthwise, that's about a 5.5 foot mound that people in Clarkson Street dug out in the middle of this. Made it back into Clarkson Street. How do you know? What do you know?